Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore scooter settings to default on your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app, click on your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Pro right here. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over it, click on three dots, and scroll a bit down until we see restore scooter settings in the device settings right at the bottom. So we're gonna click here and click OK. As you guys can see, restore is successful. Everything's changed to the default settings. As you guys can see, there's nothing in the assisted riding. The startup speed is 3 even though I have it on 5, and basically everything's changed. Also, the taillight always on is my go-to option, and it is disabled because we just reset the entire scooter. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.